One of the biggest misconceptions sellers have is believing that if the market is strong enough, buyers will overlook everything. That's not true. Wait till the end for my special tip for all home sellers. Even in a competitive market, sellers can absolutely hurt their home's value, and sometimes by a lot. Today, I want to talk about some of the biggest mistakes I see sellers make that can reduce a buyer's interest, lower offers, and cause homes to sit on the market longer than they should. The first mistake is overpricing. A lot of sellers think, let's just aim high and see what happens. But the problem is, buyers today are extremely educated. They're comparing your house against every other listing online within seconds using artificial intelligence like ChatGPT. If your home is overpriced, buyers may not even schedule a showing. And once a property sits too long, buyers start assuming something is wrong with it. Another huge issue is poor presentation. Cluttered rooms, bad odors, dirty carpets, dark lighting, pet smells, and deferred maintenance can completely change how buyers feel emotionally when they walk into a home. And real estate is emotional. People don't just buy square footage, they buy a feeling. Listing photos are another major problem. I can't tell you how many listings I've seen where the pictures are dark, blurry, crooked, or taken with bad angles. Your online presentation is the first showing now. If the photos don't impress buyers, many of them never even come to see the property in person. I also see sellers ignore small repairs because they assume buyers won't care. But buyers notice everything. Loose railings, dripping faucets, cracked caulking, damaged trim, peeling paint, old stains. All of these things create doubt in a buyer's mind. And once buyers start feeling uncertain, they either lower their offer or move on entirely. Another mistake is refusing to listen to market feedback. If multiple buyers are all saying the same thing, too expensive, too dark, needs updating, smells like smoke or pets, sellers should pay attention. The market usually tells you the truth. That is why agents ask other agents for feedback after a showing. One final mistake I see is sellers making the home too personalized. Family photos everywhere, extremely bold paint colors, excessive collections, or unusual decorating styles can make it harder for buyers to picture themselves living there. The goal when selling a home is to help buyers emotionally move in before they make an offer. The good news is many of these problems are fixable. Sometimes a little preparation, decluttering, lighting, touch-up paint, landscaping, and the right pricing strategy can make a massive difference in both buyer activity and final sales price. I'm Bill Maier with United Mortgage and Homes by Maier at Daunno Realty. If you have any questions, you can call or text me 7 days a week at 908-304-5470 from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now, my special tip is a month before you list your house for sale, hire a home inspector to inspect your home. He or she will point out all the small flaws and potentially big ones that people miss before listing their house for sale. This will give you an opportunity to hire a contractor or a handyman to fix everything before you list. Could save you a lot of trouble later. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow for more real estate and mortgage tips. And as always, thank you for stopping by.